Journey with Yusuf. Yeah, yeah. Habla inglés?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, sure. Are you the one that giving me a haircut?
Yo?
Yeah,
Yes.
because I prefer to be honest with you, a male.
Ah.
And this is the bus I took. And the foods are like breakfast, dinner, lunch. Menu Palazzo is the nicest. And I never really counted a mosque next to me. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Literally, I never prayed 5 times a day since I was a young boy. Even a young boy, we never used to go. So there is a mosque next door, literally next door. And then I greet Allah, I'm a mosque here. And then next door, and all the Assalamu alaikum, brother. And then masjid. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And so now, so the whole area is a Muslim friendly area. Halal foods. And I'm gonna show you my favorite Bangladeshi. Assalamu alaikum, brother. I have my own YouTube. So this area is very nice. You have until what time do you close? 11 o'clock. That's after Isha. And this is a beautiful. Look me up in YouTube. It's called Journey with Yusuf. Journey with Yusuf. Yeah, yeah. And this is a very nice Bangladeshi restaurant. Yeah. Oh, hello.
Que vos no me tomas en serio a mí.
Oh, hello, brother. Can I have a haircut? Haircut. I want to have a haircut.
Yeah.
And but a male because I'm a Muslim. Is it possible? A male.
Yes.
For okay.
Que nada, compramos porque.
Because habla inglés?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, sure. Because it's my last day in here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Are you the one that giving me a haircut?
Yo?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I prefer to be honest with you, a male.
Ah.
Yeah.
Me.
Because I'm a little bit over strict. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it okay if I record it? Yeah. Gracias. You said 15 euros? Yes?
What?
And the price?
Yes.
Gracias.
15 euros.
Thank you so much. Gracias. My friend, it's very hot. Give me very small one and a 2. Yeah.
And 2. Degradado desde el 1.
And a 2.
And in the top 2.
Yes. I have my YouTube. Check my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What is your YouTube channel?
Journey with Yusuf.
What? A ver, espera, wait.
Yeah, with Yusuf. Yes. That will be me.
Okay.
Journey with
Okay,
Yusuf.
Journey with Yusuf.
This shop in this area is a very good. People have. There is a residential area, good houses. Yeah. You have a hairstyle, food, mosque.
So cool, so cool.
Absolutely. And a station. And Antón Martín. Yes. You just go to the station. Yeah. Gracias. Oh, that's your name, Manhattan? That's your name. Okay. Yeah, I can see this barbershop. And can I have a receipt, please? Sure. $1? No, euro. Euro, yes, euro. Thank you, gracias. Adios. Bye-bye. Okay, now we have a haircut. I feel like it. Weight has been lifted above my head. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna have a meal. And I will take you a friends I made in a restaurant. The sun is directly. And it's a good time to have a haircut. And I'm gonna go and have a halal food. And this is the bus I took. Now I made a friends in not far from here. They are I don't know where they, yeah, it was a night, but I made a friends, a Bangladeshi restaurant, and they fed me a nice kebab, and I prefer to have I didn't have a breakfast, I didn't have a lunch, so I had fruits, and the fruits are like a breakfast, dinner, lunch, every time. Voila. So this is the place. So I'm gonna have a kebab. So there, show some love. Very nice brother, and it's the brothers who directed me to. This is a lava beers, if you're asking yourself, and in that direction we are going now. It's where the soul, where the La Soul is, about 5 minutes walk, and and this is no, that's not one. And this is the doner kebab, servizo at domicilio. Might not be the brother who was in yesterday. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Yeah, you were not. Okay, I came here back because it's my last day. Can I have, what was it? I had a menu balato, please. That one. Menu kebab, menu falafel, menu pizza Turkey, menu balato is the nicest, and then menu drum, and I will show you. It is delicious. Yes. Gracias. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Bismillah.
Tío, huele. Hace calor, pero huele bien, ¿eh?
Ahí sí.
Like eating halal. And halal. That's my nice done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. May Allah bless you. Yes, please, brother. Second. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That's my brother. May Allah bless him. We're done. Inshallah. And this is a lot of years, and I encourage you to go there. So, and that's how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed me with it. It's I kept that job nearly 10 years, and I traveled the world nearly 10 years. Madrid must be the 16th country I visited, and there is inshallah more. I don't consider myself because of the hard work I put in, and I think of myself blessed. Allah blessed me with and gave me the opportunity of good health, and blessing us with me and you to have this conversation. And this is my second camera. It's a little bit of a fiddly. At night time I have a light for it, but once you get hang of it, it's much more lighter than my BTI Pocket 3. Much better. And that's the Estética Peluquería. That's the way we had the haircut. You'll never count it on the mosque being next to me. Shops, halal shops, 2 minutes away from me, and all I knew was it was a cheaper in my place of stay, and it was a guest house, and it was closer to a station because I traveled by metro, so I was prepared to travel for halal food, for mosques, for by taking the metro. So I'm taking you. This is my place of residence, and then this is the masjid. It is closed now. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslims, Bangladeshi, Moroccan, Senegalese, and I was amazed. And I never prayed 5 prayers in a row. That is the blessing. I knew automatically I was falling in love with Madrid because so much weight have been lifted when you have it very easy in the prayers. Allah made it easy for us. I wake up early, pray in the morning prayer, take some nap when it's cooler. About 2 o'clock, then pray again the same mosque, go for the food, and then the station is only 2 seconds, and that's where we will end the video. Please come visit here. And this is the station. Story about how I landed from the airport from this station, Look for. So this is how I located and found by the metro and the place of stay were too close to each other. So when I was researching Madrid, I went to a guest house and a station, because the future of travel is the guest houses, no longer for me. If you are traveling constantly, stay in guest houses, a lot more cleaner, much cheaper, and a very eco-friendly, as well as nicer. You meet like-minded people and closer to the station. So Antón Martín. So this is what happened before. Oh yes, and then there is halal food everywhere. I was prepared to travel by metro for halal food, but it's everywhere. Kurdistan over there, kebabs everywhere. So that's the blessing. Okay, so what happened? On Monday afternoon, I landed here from the airport about 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. About 5 o'clock, I landed in this station. My phone, I did not activate my eSIM. So I was looking around, panicking. So I usually depend on offline maps. And I knew my place of residence was only 5 minutes walk between the station and so I panicked. What shall I do? So I stood in the street and I hailed a taxi. Mind you, my place of residence is just in that direction, that opposite. It's only 1 minute away. So I hailed a taxi. You'll see the taxis. So I hailed a taxi. So I didn't know how far it is, so many streets. So I hailed a taxi. The taxi takes us all the way. And we come around 360. We come around 360. Mind you, my street, and the station, I think you're following me, and the station and my place of residence is this one. So he comes around all the way, and he drops me off in my place of residence. I'm very happy with that, because taxis are always the last resort, but always be prepared and have a plan. So if you're wondering how I locate and how I keep up with my data and a network I use eSIM and Klook. It has been my favorite eSIM in Malaysia, as well as not only affordable. I never use my UK network unless there is an emergency. So I always have an eSIM activated well before. So Klook, since I found it, very cheap, and I never knew it was you could use it. So I thought, because we are in Europe, I use it in Malaysia very nicely.
Hey there, fellow adventurers. I'm so glad you're joining me today. If you love exploring new places and creating unforgettable memories, then you're in for a treat. I want to share something that has truly transformed the way I travel, Klook.com. On my travels, I actually stumbled upon Klook.com, and I even got my eSIM straight from Klook Talk about convenience. It was so easy, and I didn't have to deal with any stress at all. What I love most about Klook is that it's a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. Find a cozy hotel or discover unique local experiences, Klook has got you covered. And the best part? Everything is really affordable. You can enjoy amazing adventures without breaking the bank. Honestly, Klook has become one of my go-to travel tools. So, if you're planning your next adventure, I highly recommend checking out Klook.com. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Here's to your next adventure. Happy travels!